Hey, I'm Adam, your math coach. Let's have a look at this SAT question. The perimeter of square ABCD is x. Perimeter of the isosceles triangle EFG is y. If AB equals to EF equals to FG, which of the following must be true? If you want to give this problem a try, pause the video and let's see how we can solve this. Well, we can just draw because it can help. So a square ABC and we have an isosceles triangle EFG. So AB, which is could be any side of the square. Well, first start with the perimeter of the square is x. So the four sides, sum of the four sides would be x divided by 4. One side is x over 4. And we know that the two sides of the triangle would be equal to this x over 4. And we know that the perimeter of the isosceles triangle would be y. So y would be equal to x plus 4 plus x plus 4, 2 times x plus 4, that's x, what? Sorry, I mean x over 4, so it's x over 2, and this part here, let's call it a. And we have here statements about the size of y. So let's look. So y equals x over 2 plus something. So y is actually greater than x over 2. So the b is false and the a is false because they say here it's y smaller. Now we are left with 3 choices. Well, remember our triangle inequalities. A has to be smaller than the two other sides. So it would be to make it a triangle. So the two other sides, x over 2, A has to be smaller than x over 2. So what is the max value of y? The max value of y would be when a is at its maximum value. A is at its maximum value when it's x over 2. But it couldn't be actually x over 2, so it's just a bit smaller than x over 2. So we actually don't have a maximum, but we know that y has to be smaller than x over 2 plus a, which is smaller than x over 2. So y has to be smaller than x. I hope I managed to explain it. So we are just looking what is the maximum possible is, and this is what the maximum possible value is. So we know that y has to be smaller than x. So this y has to be smaller than x. So d1 is false because it says has to be greater than x, and also the e1. So C is our solution. Have you managed to solve it? Tell me in the comment section. And if you want to see more problems like this, check out my other videos. And thank you for watching.